Hi everyone! Welcome to first video of our brand new English grammar series. In this series, we'll learn English step by step in the easiest and clearest way possible. And today, we're starting with something very important: nouns. So let's begin. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. As examples: person, teacher, mother, doctor; place, Colombo, school, market thing, phone, table, bag; idea, happiness, friendship, freedom. If a word is the name of something, it's a noun. Types of nouns: common nouns, general names. Examples: girl, dog, city, car. The girl is riding a bike. Proper nouns, specific names, always capitalized. Examples: John, London, Samsung. John lives in London. Countable nouns. You can count them. Examples: apple, apples. I bought 2 apples. Uncountable nouns. You cannot count them individually. Examples: water, rice, sugar. She needs water. Concrete nouns. Things you can see or touch. Examples: phone, flower, chair. The flower is beautiful. Abstract nouns. Things you cannot see or touch. Feelings, qualities, ideas. Examples: love, fear, honesty. Honesty is important. Common mistakes to avoid. She gave me an advice. She gave me advice. Advice is uncountable. I need a water. I need some water. He went to London. Correct. He went to London. Capital letter. The cat is sleeping. London is a beautiful city. Please give me some sugar. Happiness cannot be bought. I have 3 books. All right, let's test your understanding. Identify the type of noun in each word. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll learn pronouns, which will make your sentences more natural and smooth. See you in next video.